Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi folks, I'm Shanmugam. I'm representing for Zypel Academy. So we are going to talk about the SAP Business One today. And do you know something about the SAP Business One? It's an interesting part actually, and this is for the companies why they want to implement an ERP, because as a company, so they want to integrate their end-to-end process, right? So at the end of this topic, so you will be able to know what is SAP Business One, why the company is looking for an integrated SAP Business One applications. So this is something interesting. So I'm going to talk about before we start this why SAP Business One is needed in the industry. So I'm giving a simple example to you guys. Say if the company they want to manage their entire process from the sales to the delivery and the payments and your procurement process, also your MRP, right? So this will give you a complete idea for an SAP Business One. Nowadays, the digital world, SAP Business One kind of solution is needed because this is enabled with the digital world in this industry, right? So this is the one I'm going to talk about next for few minutes about SAP Business One, how the technology is inbuilt in this, and what are the benefits as a company they can able to take it, right? So why we are precisely talking about an SAP Business One, because SAP Business One is affordable to the nowadays with the economical, and this is for the mid-sized companies where they can afford to maintain the software. SAP Business One will have two different versions. One is cloud versions and another version on premises. So you can ask me a question, why the two different versions? Because SAP cloud platform nowadays people they don't want to invest on the IT infrastructure and they don't want to take a risk to maintain the infrastructure. But whereas if it goes for the on-premises, so they need to maintain a proper IT team, they need to adopt the security policies of data security, and they have to maintain an infrastructure of hardwares, AC, and all etc. But when it goes for the cloud, so you don't want a separate IT team, the infrastructure and bandwidth, so everything taken care by the third party. But the major difference between your cloud and on-premises, cloud will be an OPEX model, that means operating expenses, continuous recurring cost for the company. But whereas in on-premises, it's a CAPEX. So this CAPEX means it's a capital expenditures. So you need to invest upfront and then you have to apportionate your expenses on every year and in terms of the depreciations. That is why the people they will prefer to go for the cloud model. Coming back to the modules, what SAP can provide. So SAP is a platform, it is a digitally enabled for the your big data, machine learnings and your third party applications. So in you can name it any technology that can be integrated to the SAP platform. So it will give you a single platform to manage your entire operations. So that is the reason we are going and we are going to talk about the SAP Business One. So SAP Business One, what else can give? So any software in the market so can give you different normal procurement, finance and blah blah CRMs, inventory, production. But what SAP can give? So SAP is giving you two different versions called HANA as well as a MS SQL version. So be it HANA, it is a latest technology and in computing memory power. So that is why that is called a HANA platform and this is an intellectual property of SAP. But whereas MS SQL, it's Microsoft product. So there you have to, you can also manage your all inventory, production, sales and finance and everything in MS SQL. But the main difference, one is the speed. So one time SQL is running for a 1 minute. So SAP HANA can run it in a few seconds. So that's the main difference. Also, SAP HANA will give you inbuilt analytical dashboards. So it will come 70 plus dashboards inbuilt in it. Then what you can ask me a question. So why SQL can't give a dashboards? Yes, answer is yes. So you can define your dashboards with SQL version also, but what is the difference? You have to have a separate BI tool to have the dashboards. So that's the only difference. So rest all the functionalities, core functionalities of SAP Business One and integrations, everything can be managed with both the versions. And SAP will come with the mobile technology. So you can access through a mobile. So where you have approvals, alerts and your reports you want to see on every day. So nowadays the challenges of any management or any company, so the problem is they don't have a visibility on the data to take a decision. So but whereas in SAP Business One mobile application, so you can see in the mobile itself what is the decision making reports you want to see in the mobile, you can see it and you can approve. So what are the approval is pending, because if the physical approval if it is there, so you have to go on office and then approve it, then the things will move on. But whereas if you are using mobile application, so you on the go you can approve it and you can see the reports. So when you're going for a meeting of a customer, so customer he may have liabilities to pay to the company and he may have a delivery spending and he may have a order spending. But as a manager or the decision maker, he sits in the front of the customer, so he can see in the mobile what is their open orders and what are the deliveries they have done, but what is the invoices we have given but payment not received. So these are the information on fingertip they have. And also if the customer they want to place an order, so they are asking an inquiry about, okay, I want this product to be procured from you, do you have any stock and when you can able to deliver. But if you have a mobile, so you can see your stock statements, you can see which are the locations. We may have multiple locations for the stock, but in the mobile itself you can see that. And not only mobile applications, SAP is bringing to give you web browser applications. What is the advantages of web browsers? Because web browser you can reduce your IT cost in terms of, compared to other applications you need to have a RDP licenses or a Citrix servers to access the applications. Whereas if you are using a mobile browser or web browser, so web browser will give you the entire application in front of the system. So you can just open a browser and then type a URL, you can get access of your server. So wherever you are or your plans, so you can access through the browser access. And analyticals. Coming to the analyticals, so SAP Business One HANA will give you a pervasive analysis, something called to design your KPIs, KRIs and workflows. So and this, not only this functionality, you can integrate with the third-party applications. So SAP Business One will have a different vertical solutions, automotive and trading. Also you have a healthcare and you have aerospace solutions and trading, you name it, any vertical solution. So SAP can provide a solution for you, right? So this is about the SAP Business One, and we would like to explain you more in the next session how to navigate the SAP Business One, and I'm going to train you how to open applications and how to define the cockpit. So everything we can see in the next episode. So thanks guys. So see you soon. We'll catch up in the next session.
Audio Jungle.